let's quickly take a look at where we are, looking at the bigger picture. So yesterday we had slightly better volume, still nothing spectacular, but better than last few days. On the electronic trading hours, it is looking slightly better, but still not much. And when we look at the expiration for today's afternoon, we have 33 points of range, so it can bring us just around yesterday's lows or back around Wednesday's highs, even lower. But given its OPEX, we can see something more. I'm not sure about that. We are back where we started the week, so I think no major displacements in the positioning, but we did try to break out from this few-day balance, and we did close back within, so it is slightly bullish, so we can target the opposite of the balance. So let's take a look at what happened yesterday. So we opened with inventory short. We opened and sold off right away, and I did get long somewhere, I'm not sure if here, and got stopped out, and my another long was exactly at this lows, because we had this bulge, this bulge of volume below and point of control, and I entered slightly above here when the profile was tighter. So it was really nice trade. I exited I think around those lows, and I entered short again here, and traded a little bit lower. I thought that we might revisit those lows, but I didn't have this conviction, because the initial move was well, I'm not sure, maybe I shorted here. Sorry, yeah, I shorted here. So if I were short from those levels again, I'm not sure I would have, but I would be targeting those lows, because they are weekly looking. The buying from here is too exact, but the volume did taper a lot around those levels. So this is slightly better, and overall we have B shape with later trend higher. We ended up also weekly, because of this pullback low here and closure of overnight lows, and I marked those references that I think are poor looking. Here is also some part of the profile that doesn't look good. We have this tighter and wider part, and it's also some highs and lows, and on the way up there's one weak looking reference, which is those matching lows. I'm not sure if they are still in play, but I marked them anyway, maybe as a range above yesterday's highs. So early on, we overnight trading is very tight. We are back within previous balance. I marked overnight lows and this initial pullback high as my balance lows, and as a division point between back to balance and back below balance to fill yesterday's value. So this is the line in the sand, if you would like to call it that. And so I think that inventory is slightly long, but yesterday was short, and we didn't correct it. So I think that we might see some further correction, or I'm not sure. Today is slightly long, so and yesterday half of days is getting long, but some people probably got short throughout the day, so they might get squeezed. But let's first assume that since we are opening higher, we might see some attempts that get us lower. Maybe we clean this level first, and if we can't get lower, I would enter long as we get back within overnight range with stops just below, and target overnight highs and then daily highs. This is also an area I would like to short, but depending when it happens. Another idea is if we come lower, I would like to target this level just with a small long again. It is in the middle of the range, but it is a nice separation between short and long. Maybe better visible on the candle chart or some lower time frame, but it is looking interesting. And third attempt would be if we clear the lows and get back above, but I'm not sure about this one. If we single print like yesterday through this range, then I'm not sure. I would much rather see us having a weak attempt lower. But this reference should it would be nice if it was cleared before we advanced higher. So an initial idea to get short would be in this zone. So if we make an early attempt higher, not lower, and we get back inside, this is the range I'm interested in getting short, and I would like revisiting overnight lows and maybe lower. I'm not expecting a trend day, but well, let's see what happens today.